All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm actually just cleaning up the shop. I just finished up a wrap for one of my customers, one of my dealership accounts, and I just want to get the floor completely clean, everything good to go, so we don't have to worry about any dust for the next wrap. I have another car that's outside right now waiting to get wrapped. So as a satisfying video, we're going to be cleaning the floors in my shop. I never realized just how filthy these things were. Honestly, I knew they were a little bit dirty, but I did a little test spot, and let me show you guys just how clean they can get, how dirty they really were. So here's the floor, right? And I knew there were some dirtier spots. Let me go ahead and turn the light on here for you guys. All right, so I knew there were some dirtier spots, right? And then it kind of came to this, and that's kind of where I thought it was at. I didn't think anything of it. Yeah, sure, it's a little bit dirty, but I didn't think it was crazy. And then you filter it over to where I cleaned, and it just looks like a completely different floor. To be doing this, we're just using Super Clean. I diluted it about 50%. So half of that bottle is water, the other half is Super Clean. And I may adjust that a little bit depending on how dirty the floor is in certain spots, but I'm just doing that. And then I'm just gonna spray that onto the floor. Then I agitate it with a Scotch-Brite pad. So I went and got these Scotch-Brite pads. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get after it. And hopefully it's a satisfying video for you guys and you like it. Here we go. All right guys, so all I'm doing to go ahead and clean these floors is I'm just spraying on the Super Clean, agitating it with my little pad here. And then once again, dousing it real quick with Super Clean just to kind of help lift everything, and then wiping it up. Super simple, super easy. Here we go. Alright guys, so I know I can be getting this done a lot quicker if I actually just go and rent a kind of a surface cleaner. I know that you can rent them from Home Depot. However, this shop's about, actually, this flooring is throughout maybe 1,000 square feet of my shop. And I think with the amount of time that it's taking me to do each panel, just kind of working in a grid section going across the whole floor, the amount of time that it's gonna take me to go get the unit, use it, get it all set up and use it, return it. I think just by doing it by hand, I'm gonna get it done faster than actually doing all that. So that's what I'm doing. Again, Super Clean is just killing it here. It's making a huge difference. Again, it is more labor intensive for me, but I'm all about getting the job done. So I don't want to waste a bunch of time going to go get it from Home Depot, so we're just doing it this way.